In this video, I'll show you how to share CapCut project between devices. First, open CapCut on the device where your project is currently saved. Go to the home screen and find the project you want to move or continue editing on another device. Before sharing, make sure you are signed in to your CapCut account. Tap your profile icon, then check that you are using the same account you plan to use on your other device. This could be your TikTok, Google, Apple, Facebook, or email login. The easiest way to share a CapCut project between devices is by using CapCut Cloud Storage, if it is available in your region and account. On the project screen, tap the project menu, which may look like three dots, then look for an option such as Upload to Cloud, Backup, Save to Cloud, or Cloud Space. Tap that option and wait for the project to upload completely. Keep the app open and make sure your internet connection is stable, especially if the project contains large videos, photos, music, or effects. Now open CapCut on your second device. Sign in with the exact same CapCut account. Then go to your Cloud Space or Project Backup section and look for the uploaded project. Once you find it, tap Download, Restore, or Open to bring it into the second device. After the project opens, check the timeline carefully. Make sure all videos, images, audio clips, text, effects, and transitions are still in place. If some media is missing, you may need to transfer the original files to the second device as well. If cloud storage is not available, another option is to export the finished video and send it to your other device. However, this only shares the final video, not the editable project timeline. For best results, keep your original media files saved, use the same CapCut account on both devices, and upload important projects to the cloud whenever possible. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.